From Wall Street Journal Tech Live, I'm your host, Sehr Thadhani. Today we're here with the founder and CEO of Latch, Luke Schoenfelder. So tell us about Latch.
So Latch is a system of products that makes every apartment building a better place to live, work, and visit. We announced today that 100 million unlocks have been completed with the Latch app this year already. So people are using the app like crazy, which is really cool. And then our software is also used by property managers to make sure they can manage all the guests, deliveries, amenities that are at the building to just make it better and more efficient for everybody at the space. So in the last 2.5 years, we've gone from surviving a global pandemic and everybody thinking no one was going to live in cities anymore, to then saying, oh, just kidding, growth stocks are the greatest thing that ever happened. Going public last year, exactly. And then, it's been a tough year. So now what we're trying to do is just stay focused on the basics, which is build great products, solve problems for our customers, and just keep delivering that value.
What was your IPO day like?
So it was a lot of fun. We were on Nasdaq. They had just changed some of the restrictions like the week before. So we got to basically have our entire team there. I was very impressed with all the digital equipment. You timed the confetti. I mean, it was a pretty awesome thing.
It's pretty magical.
And then you sit there and then you're on TV and then your whole team's out in Times Square. I mean, it was an amazing experience. I'll think about it forever. We have a lot of immigrants at Latch. And so to be able to say, here is my company that I helped build over the last decade in Times Square on the big screen, feels really, really cool.
So what's next for Latch?
We look at folks in this sort of next digital generation who are really flexible with how they work, where they live, and they want convenience. And so our real estate operator partners are putting our products into all sorts of buildings across the United States, and then we're providing an amazing resident experience that helps them stand out with their residents, but then also builds loyalty to our app so that when people see the Latch app at the property, they're more inclined to stay longer and be happier and do more things at the property.
What was the catalyst behind the company?
Yeah, I mean, I think it was really just looking at a problem that I saw in the world that I could do something about. And it was looking at it and saying, this is going to be a hard problem to solve because it seems simple, but we had to build all of these hardware devices. So we built devices, we built firmware, we built software, we partnered with Apple, we partnered with Google. We had to do all these massive things to do something very simple. And in the end, you hold your phone up and bing, it unlocks. But that is so hard to make all of that happen. And I think having a deeper and deeper appreciation for what it takes to do something at that level of quality has been something that I've been continually surprised by and keeps pushing me forward because there's always new things to learn.
It's so nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for being here, and hope to see you soon.
Yeah, that sounds great. Thank you.